take on the challenge of transforming my look and boosting my confidence with some amazing beauty hacks. I've got a bunch of tips and tricks to share with you that will help you enhance your natural beauty and feel more confident in your own skin. From skincare to makeup, we're going to cover it all, so be sure to stick around till the end. Many of us struggle with beauty insecurities, whether it's acne, dark circles, or uneven skin tone. These imperfections can really affect our self-esteem and make us feel like we're not good enough. I've definitely been there, and I know how hard it can be to find products and techniques that actually work. That's why I'm excited to share some of my favorite beauty hacks with you, in the hopes that they'll help you overcome your own beauty challenges. We all have those days when we wake up feeling tired and puffy, with skin that looks dull and lackluster. It's like our skin is screaming for help, and we don't know where to turn. But the truth is, there are some simple solutions that can make a big difference. For example, drinking plenty of water and getting enough sleep can work wonders for our skin. It's all about finding what works for you and sticking to it. Whether you're dealing with hormonal acne, hyperpigmentation, or fine lines and wrinkles, there are plenty of beauty hacks out there that can help. It's just a matter of knowing where to look and what to try. I've spent hours researching and experimenting with different products and techniques, and I'm excited to share my findings with you. So if you're ready to take your beauty routine to the next level, keep watching. One of the simplest and most effective beauty hacks is to use a facial steamer. It helps to open up your pores and deep clean your skin, leaving you with a radiant glow. Another hack is to use a makeup primer before applying your foundation. It helps your makeup stay in place all day and gives you a flawless finish. I also love using a setting spray to keep my makeup looking fresh and vibrant, even after a long day. Exfoliating is another essential part of any skincare routine. It helps to remove dead skin cells and unclog pores, leaving your skin feeling smooth and looking bright. You can use a physical exfoliant like a scrub or a chemical exfoliant like a peel, whichever you prefer. Just be sure to exfoliate gently and only as often as your skin needs it. You don't want to overdo it and end up with irritated skin. To take your beauty routine to the next level, try incorporating some confidence-boosting techniques into your daily routine. Practice positive affirmations in front of the mirror, like, "I am beautiful and capable," or, "I love myself just the way I am." This can help to shift your mindset and make you feel more confident and self-assured. You can also try striking a power pose, like putting your hands on your hips or standing up straight. This can help to release endorphins and make you feel more empowered. Another confidence-boosting technique is to focus on your strengths and the things you love about yourself. Rather than dwelling on your flaws and imperfections, try to shift your focus to the positive. Celebrate your unique qualities and the things that make you special, whether it's your bright smile or your beautiful eyes. This can help to boost your self-esteem and make you feel more confident and beautiful. The most impactful beauty hack I've discovered is the power of self-care. Taking care of yourself, both physically and emotionally, is essential for looking and feeling your best. This can include things like getting regular massages, taking relaxing baths, or practicing yoga and meditation. By prioritizing your own needs and taking the time to pamper yourself, you can experience a profound shift in your overall well-being and confidence. This self-care practice can be as simple as taking a few minutes each day to breathe and relax, or as involved as scheduling a weekly spa day. Whatever it is, make sure it's something that nourishes your mind, body, and soul. Remember, beauty is not just about how you look, it's about how you feel, and when you feel good, you look good too. Incorporating these beauty hacks into your routine can have a transformative effect on your confidence and overall sense of self. By taking care of your skin, practicing positive affirmations, and prioritizing self-care, you can experience a profound shift in your overall well-being. So don't be afraid to try new things and experiment with different techniques until you find what works best for you. In conclusion, the key to looking more beautiful and confident is to focus on what makes you unique and special. By incorporating these beauty hacks into your daily routine, you can enhance your natural beauty and feel more confident in your own skin. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your favorite beauty hacks in the comments below. If you're looking for more tips and tricks, be sure to check out my other videos for more beauty and confidence boosting advice.